Hi, my name is Benny Lee. I'm the author of the book called Watch the Mouth. Also a health and life coach. Please watch this video before you avoid sugar or blame sugar for causing cancer, diabetes, heart disease, obesity, etc. Let's ask this very important question. Why those who avoid sugar still get cancer, diabetes, other diseases, and become obese? Simple answer is we have been so misguided about sugars. Most consumers think all sugars are bad and that there is no such thing as good sugar. While they avoid sugars without them realizing they consume many bad sugars on a daily basis. This video will help you to clear the many misconceptions about sugars so we can be truly healthy and not to be misled by many fancy names for bad sugars. Before we start, let's clarify and state three very important facts. Number one, there are good sugars and bad sugars, just like there are good cholesterol and bad cholesterol, good fats and bad fats, and there are natural carbohydrate and refined carbohydrate. Number two, good sugars don't cause diabetes, heart disease, obesity, etc. Good sugars are nutrients that our body and brain need. Number three, glucose in our blood is just a symptom of diabetes. Bad sugars and refined carbohydrate are the main cause for diabetes, obesity, and other diseases. Many consumers think they are savvy by looking at the food label's sugar content, regardless whether the sugar is natural or processed or refined, to determine whether they want to buy or consume the food. Not only this is very misguided, but also there are far too many label frauds regarding sugar in the food, that many food manufacturers either lie about their low sugar content or conceal added sugar as one of the ingredients, or trick consumers with fancy but misleading names for the bad sugars they have added. Generally, we can divide sugars into the following three main categories. 1. Good natural sugars, i.e. fructose in fruits, raw honey. 2. Bad processed refined sugars, i.e. raw sugar, white or brown sugar, dextrose, corn syrup, maltose, etc. 3. Sugar substitutes, i.e. monk fruit and stevia leaf extracts, and artificial sweeteners, i.e. equal, Splenda, sucralose, etc. that contain aspartame. By the way, a lot of consumers don't know that sugar substitutes and artificial sweeteners are refined and processed sugars, hence they are also bad sugars. Good natural sugars are natural carbohydrate. Our body can metabolize properly into nutrient and energy, also food for our brain, and they help regulate our blood sugar. Bad processed sugars are refined carbohydrate, and most of their fibers removed. Our body cannot metabolize them properly, hence they become fat and glucose in our blood. That clog up our arteries, causing high blood pressure, heart disease, diabetes, etc. As this is a short video, for detailed discussion on sugars, please watch my long video about bad sugars and their misleading names plus their food label frauds.